You want to make sure that the dog is attentive and on task. So an opted-in dog is going to be working with you. They're going to be responding to simple cues quickly. You can see he's not paying attention to me. He's sniffing, searching for good snacks. I want to see in between this treat and the eye contact what happens. So as soon as they swallow the treat and until they give me eye contact, how long is that? What happens in that time? Does the dog look around or sniff? Does the dog come back to me within a second or two? How long does it take for the dog to offer eye contact? So Puck has got a distraction right there. He did a very nice job with the nose touch. But then he starts looking at the distraction. He's like, ooh, this is kind of hard. Got a reward for eye contact, and you see some disengagement here.